Welcome to my class. This is Sudipta and you are watching Rocademy. Welcome to 100 Days of Python journey. In this journey, you are learning from basic to advanced. This includes web development, data analysis, and app creation. Before I started, let me introduce. I am Sudipta Chatterjee from Kolkata. I taught more than 5,000 students related to data analysis, which is Python, SQL, Power BI, Excel, and Tableau. And right now I opening this Rocademy website LMS portal. Here you can see this is the Python page of this learning port. This Python page is up to date automatically when this class is ongoing each and every day. Right now we are covering these topics for today and upcoming days means tomorrow and thereafter these data will be up to date. So don't forget to search rocademy.store/python-book. Link in the description. So no bakwas, direct to topic. What is Python? Python is a programming language. So this programming language is popularly used in current scenario is data analysis, then app development and the website development. In data analysis field, this is the most anticipated part or most demanding part because these can handle the largest form of data and provide the quality of result. So we are starting from the scratch that everyone can learn this Python programming language. Python is a very easy language to understand and this language is a just interpreter of your command. Like the Python is your friend and you are saying, "Hi Python, print for me hello world," means you say to Python, "Print for me the hello world." To print this just in natural formation, you can try print hello world. This hello world might be the text. In here, this is the text format and point to be noted when you are using the text in Python or Excel, you have to be use the double quotation or the single quotation. If you are not using both the side, this execution will not executed and showing the error. So before I started going to the real example, we have to install the Python programming software. Right now I am using the PyCharm and this is the download link of the PyCharm. So you can click here and the download is automatically started. This is a PyCharm community edition. The community edition is free for everyone and don't install the Python advanced edition because this is a paid. So you can click here and get the direct download option from official websites. Then after installing, this is a very easy to install. Right now I'm using the Mac or in Windows you can using the exe file. So after install, just write which I discussed. This is print hello world. To press the enter, the console is showing hello world because print is action and you are showing the action to the print the particular world, the hello world. So next time this print will not appear because it is the action button. Action button means in the cell phone you are clicking on this button as a power on off or wake up screen. This is called action button. This is action button. So this is action button in the Python is print. Next, let's print something 1, 2, 3. When I print 1, 2, 3, it is also showing this is a 1, 2, 3. In every language, there is a two kind of differentiation. One is numeric, second is non-numeric. When we are using numeric with a non-numeric means 1 to 3 mm or 1 to 3 all related to text. For example, print 1 to 3 IND India, it is showing as a text, or if you are using print India 1 to 3, this also is treated as a text format. So we are just learning what is a print function and how we are using the print function. Next, in a situation, you are a Python developer or an analyst, you are working in a project and you might have to collaborate with your team. So what you are doing right now, this might be using another person or another team member. If you are not using any comment or narration, he or she might not understand why you are using this comment that moment. So as a commerce student, Python is same like as a narration. Narration means who is a commerce student, he or she can understand properly. Narration means the nature, why we are using this entry and what is the purpose. Means a summarization. In here, we are using the comment and this comment is starting in Python with a hash sign. So we are typing here, this is comment. When using the hash sign, because this is the comment function, the letter is already color is changed and this is not a variable. Variable is another part we will discuss later. And if I type this is comment, then it is not is a comment function. This is a Python function and this is a text function. So to using the comment, we have to use this is a comment. The purpose to use the comment to understand better and clear when you are running a lots of code and multi-line code. Thereafter, we are just move to Python variable. This is very important part. Many students can't understand the what the variable and what is the important. So take an example with something uh, like this is a wristwatch and this is a TWS earbud. This wristwatch is I know as a Timex wristwatch. It's a Timex wristwatch because this wristwatch is branded by the Timex company. If this is not branded by the Timex, it is unbranded, is nothing here. If nothing here, then it is called only a wristwatch or a generic wristwatch, like a generic medicine. When we are or any company or anyone just branded something here as a Timex, then it is a Timex wristwatch. So Timex equals to this wristwatch because they produced it. So Timex is the variable of, or this is taken as a variable of a Timex. Means if we are someone is asking what is the brand, I said is a Timex because this watch is related to Timex. Same as I am taking this TWS This TW is same like many other TWS, but this is a Realme TWS and this is a specific brand model number. So this is equals to Realme TWS. So whenever anyone who is aware about that watching this, this is a Realme TWS. So Realme equals to this TWS. So Realme is a variable. In Python, we are using same as x equals to India. So x is a variable of India. So if we print x, the India is the output because we taken India as a x because we are not asking for India, we are asking for x. Just like as a consumer behavior in FMCG market, we mostly ask provide a Colgate because Colgate is a paste, but this is a very good advertisement or a trust building. Everyone just think about this is the toothpaste which is only the Colgate. So we are not going to the asking for toothpaste, we are just saying Colgate. So toothpaste is a variable of the Colgate or the vice versa. Let print no taken y equals to 1947 and print x plus y. This is the error. Why this error is happened? Because we are using x as a string again with error, and we can using right now with the AI version. This is not installed here because the string. What is the string? String is just a chain like India. I is a character, N is a character, D is a character, I is a character, A is a character. So all the character is connected with the another part. Like think about that this is a thread and this letter is connected. So this is called the string. In this variable world, we are learning string, integer, float, and many more complex number. The string is a all about the words, the alphabetical order, like print X is India and print Y is 1947. To check the data type, like our title, surname. To check the data type, we are using print type X, and this is showing the class string. If we are using print type Y, This is the integer. So this is a type. Then move to the variable part. You have to follow this page because there is a legal and illegal variable is showcasing. Legal and illegal variable mean we have to maintain the proper process or proper the protocol to use a variable. Like this is the showcasing of three types and three is the illegal. You can't use that kind of variable in the Python because this is not executable. Okay, this is not provide you result. Then we can use the multi-variable. Multi-variable means x, y, z equals to India, Kolkata, Mumbai. Then print x. This is showing the India, Kolkata, Mumbai. In this multi-level variable, we are not bifurcating each and every line. We are using the same line. This is mostly using data cleaning process in data analysis. So this is called multi-level, multi-line or multi-level variable. Next is the same variable but in the multiple order, like your nickname is different in different area or different relative house. First to orange, print x, y, z. All are treated as a orange, orange, orange. Three times is repeated. Next is the input function. Before we move on to the typing, this is a very basic part, and each and every day on 7 p.m. you get the proper Python class and every topic will be covered. This is no shortcut or any jump cut. This is a totally properly mannered class from beginning to advanced.